Hello again. The sharkC64 language has now static data section. Let's have a look. We can now define data to a static memory location by using a data section. The data section starts with the data keyword and it can contain many data elements. Each data element is given a start address. The data elements may not overlap. If they do, there's a compile time error. Let's have a look at the example number 12 in more detail. It is bundled with the newest sharkC64 release. The example illustrates how sprites are defined using the data section. The first data element defines a bitmap for a sprite that looks like a shark. It is located at the memory address 840 in hexadecimal. The second data element defines a bitmap for a sprite that looks like characters C, 6 and 4. It is located at the memory address 880 in hexadecimal. The variable section defines sprite registers for displaying sprites on the screen. As for the functions, the move function moves the sprites to a given position. The delay function causes a dynamic time delay. The delay becomes longer after each call. Lastly, the animate function moves sprites across the screen with a slowing motion. As for the main body of the module, it resets the sprite values and runs the animation. Let's run the program to see it in action. As for the compilation of the data section, the parser and the binder were extended to recognize the data section. The translator translates a parsed and bound data section to a data fragment. The data fragment along with its starting address is then passed to the generator. It generates a corresponding bytecode fragment that also contains the starting address. Lastly, as discussed in the previous video, the newly added linker ensures that the bytecode fragment is included into the final program correctly. So that is what the data section in the sharkC64 language is about. Next, I will start improving the module encapsulation in the language. Currently, all the implementation details of one module are visible to all the other modules. This is an obvious source for programming mistakes. A module should have control over which elements can be used or called from outside. And so that is what I will start working on next. Until then, thanks for stopping by and see you soon!